Child, why did I wake up with another ladybug crawling on my bedroom window with a dust bunny attached to his butt? And no, that is not dirt on my window. That is a paint streak of which I have not been able to get off over the last 5 years that I've lived in this house. But why are the ladybugs hibernating in my bedroom? And do you kill your ladybugs? I don't. I let them be because they serve a purpose. They really do. Now, in this particular clip, I was quite surprised to see it on my memory card as I was uploading the clips for this vlog. You see, my daughter recorded this without my knowledge, and I decided to keep it because it just shows me in my moment when I'm outside in the backyard. And, it's one of those candid shots that you just don't want to get rid of because it is actually what I do when I'm back there. Like, truly, I'm in my happy place when I'm back there. So, yeah, I'm glad she recorded this. I really am. Hey, y'all. She is downstairs. Hold on before I go over there. Because I like to spray my garage when I come down here. I know that might be weird to y'all, but I like to make it smell real good. This is an old Bath and Body Works fragrance. It's the old Japanese blossom scent. Ooh, and it smells so good. That used to be my go-to back in the day. But your girl is downstairs in Le Garage, coming to the spare refrigerator so that she can do her grocery shopping. Down here once again. I thought that we were going to be finished with this today, but Frigidaire never showed up. What's the whole what's going, like, Frigidaire never showed up to fix my refrigerator upstairs, so I'm still using my spare fridge down here in the garage to do my grocery shopping. So today, ooh, I forgot I had pickles. I need to eat one of those. I need to get, okay, now I know I had some carrots down here somewhere. Is it behind the apples? Yes, there it is. And these little things here, these plastic toppers here, Temu, game changer for those times when I can't find the lids. Like, this is the lid that go on here. I don't know where this other one is to go on that one. And then, like, this was a meal that I made myself last night, and these are my leftovers. I can't find the lid to go on this one or that one, but it looks like this. So, and then there's another one with the same lid. So anytime I can't find my lids, I put these little things on them. I think it's like about 600 of them in the bag. I mean, I'm exaggerating with the 600, but absolute game changer. Absolute game changer. Ordered them from Temu. When I go back upstairs, I'll show y'all what they look like. If you want to go on Temu and order it, hashtag not sponsored. This, okay, the carrots, I need that. I need the garlic. The bacon. I'm gonna make bacon for Dad. I have to come down here and cut up this meat for him too. Put some bacon in there. Oh, close the drawer. Don't think I need anything out of here. I might come back and put some spinach in mine, but I haven't made up my mind yet as to if that's what I want to do. And then over here, I need peppers. And what I'm making, you may ask, I am making potato soup. I don't think I need anything else from down there. And then I'll come back, put this down here, because I'm going to need this cheese, because I'm going to make Daddy some grilled cheese sandwiches to go with his. Oh, and I'm supposed to be grabbing me one of these pickles. I think I'm gonna come back and get that. But I am making a potato soup, and the idea was inspired by my girl Rochelle over at She Can Do All Things.
Well, let's check and see if our soup is ready. I think it is. It should be ready. So here is the moment that I have been waiting for. I don't know about y'all, but this is the moment that I have been waiting for. And if you try it for yourself, you can have this same moment, which is where we try this amazing soup. Y'all, it is finally done. It is still hot and warm, and I'm here for it.
I will link her channel down below. And yes, I still got on my birthday shirt, Talk About Me. I didn't keep it on all day, so I put it back on today. Because I spent most of yesterday just relaxing. So, yeah. Talk about your girl and her dry lips. I don't even care. But the idea of making potato soup today came from the inspiration, or shall I say was inspired by my girl Rochelle. She made potato soup, I think earlier this week or either last week. And I was going to make it the exact same way that she did, because I bought the cream of chicken and all of that other stuff. And then my daughter found out I was making potato soup. And she says, oh my gosh, can I have some? And I was like, ooh. Okay, now I have to make a vegan potato soup because my daughter does not eat meat. So upstairs I have the coconut milk. Instead of using bacon grease, I'm going to use vegetable oil and... what else? It was something else that required. Oh, and I'm not going to use the condensed chicken, the cream of chicken. I'm not going to use the cream of chicken in the recipe either. So that's why I went down and grabbed the ingredients that I have to season it in the way that I'm going to season it. I'm going to show it to you, so I'm not going to stand here and talk about 15 minutes for explaining how I'm going to do it. But yeah, so we're going to go ahead and go in. And if you're wondering why I'm standing here in the stairway talking, yeah, your internet dad is watching television, so you already know how loud that is. I honestly think that when I get married, I want my kitchen to be detached from my house, because you do know they used to make them like that back in the 1800s, because the kitchen was the main room that used to catch on fire, and instead of burning the entire house down, the kitchen was the only thing that burned down. And I don't think it was until like maybe the mid or probably late 1800s is when they started combining the kitchen with the house itself. So yeah, that's a little tidbit of information for y'all. But let me go in here and make this soup, and I will catch some clips of it and show it to you as we're making it. All right, so hopefully I'm not cutting myself off too bad. We are going to go ahead and bless my food. All right, and we're going to taste this lovely soup to see what it really tastes like. Aisha says it's good. Daddy said it was all right. I like it. However, I think because I was attempting to compensate for not using the broth, I put a little too much of the onion powder in there. So it's making the sodium count a little bit higher than I would prefer it to be. I forgot my paper towel. But I can definitely taste the coconut milk, which is superb. It's good. I love the texture of the potato soup. I love the potatoes. Of course, potatoes. I meant to say the carrots in the potato soup. I've never had carrots in my potato soup, so this is definitely different. But the overcompensation for the substitution of the broth is what throws it off for me. Other than that, it's really good. The potatoes are tender. I love the thickness of the juices in the potato soup. I can taste all of the seasonings. It's really, really good. It's just that I would prefer the sodium count to be a tad bit lower. Other than that, it's very good. Very, very good. And thanks to Rochelle for giving me the inspiration to want to make potato soup today. So, yes. I will see you guys on the next one. Over and out.